Caroline County. A small rural county in Maryland. They developed a 10-week program where they invited their citizens to learn about preparing for, responding to, and recovering from disasters and emergencies.
Using MRC as the backbone. We could go ahead and take parts of the community emergency response team, the CERT program, and then other things that we know that the community's always asked for, stop the bleed training, CPR, Narcan, and meld it all together into like our own different type of training.
The state of Maryland, as part of their MRC Strong grant, was able to provide Caroline County a piece of the grant.
We're very thankful for the MRC Strong funding, which allowed us to be able to do this and to help the participants have their own little go bag. It was just different things that we had thought of, like first aid kits, even their own personal stop the bleed kit, CPR mask, Narcan. And not only did we become stronger community-wise with all of our partners, it also strengthened the different programs within our own department at the health department.
Everything that we did that was hands-on. From the self-defense to the cribbing and stop the bleed, and we played a pod game that was, kind of just let us see how pods actually work and function and are organized, and it was good.
Having the MRC individuals gives you those little pockets in the individual neighborhoods to where the people are already home. If an elderly neighbor or a mother with young kids whose husband might be working, something goes wrong, you've got other people that live right next door in order to help you until 911 can get there.
There are about 700 Medical Reserve Corps units across the United States and its territories. These units build resilience right at the local level.